Greetings again, my brother. Thank you for joining us again.
Big up on yourself. My second time, yourself.
At this point in time, I think you're now more a part of the set.
Call your family.
That is where we are.
Honorable member.
As per usual, I think this is one of your times to be in the UK. This is the summertime.
Yeah, I tour them. I come at 2 times for the year. So
right.
That run here. At one of them time they when we always there for the carnival.
Yeah, and I was about to say, go out with yourself over. I don't know if you did the bacchanal, you know.
Hey, me see live over fluffy.
Eh?
Me see you go out with yourself.
No, me not good so. Me the fluffy lift me up. You sure I fluffy lift me up?
Lift up go on.
Yeah, but
some lift up go on.
Carnival, me tell you something.
Talk to me now.
Carnival is that thing over here where, sometimes me there Jamaican, my dog them a reason and I tell him some things I'm experiencing in the world. And I know them believe me still, but I know sometimes I go there and say, John, the DJ, I say, I'm excited. Come here, I said to myself, I tell a man, say, yo, watch you know. Me reach a place in a carnival. When they float, them a come up the road. So.
Right.
And for the next 100 feet, 50 feet, can't remember my foot touch the ground. Like me, I walk on people and people walk on me.
I really fulfill you.
Brother, listen to me, man. Me know about carnival, and me travel the world, But you see the carnival, yeah? Every year, me say, now go back down there.
And you reach
there. Yeah,
when
go back down
there. Early.
Me find myself, I go Sunday and go Monday.
And Tuesday.
Yeah? No, me not go Tuesday, no. Because by Monday, catch a walk from one stop, go all the way down. So they must take 18 bus.
That's a lot.
Brother, a carnival walking that, you know?
Watch out, man. They must take
From
18
stop,
bus.
bro.
18 bus where? Me want walk.
That's no.
Remember, me a tourist, So you see, the walking is a part of my experience,
It's not even that. When a carnival, yeah, you could have walked around Africa. You see too much things to realize where you walk.
Watch this now. Me live like 3 minutes drive from base at the headquarters. 10 minutes walk. Zin? And me now walk go there. And base at the right out the corner out there. So.
Yes, forward
All
of
right,
UK.
so me take it serious. Zin? Me have a hill for go up on me yard where it kind of have a whole heap of, so, and a white line type of thing.
The chalk type.
Yeah, I might van upon some 35 series. Yeah. Me come to England and buy one bicycle for $2,000. Just so who ride go a BSRDC, I ride go Alexandria, go in the little surrounding communities.
Yeah.
And me, I walk from one stop, go a carnival. I'm
bro.
doing a ramp with.
As you ride,
brother,
it's
me a
the
tourist.
experience.
You realize it?
No man, not tell me nothing, brother.
When you go
Me,
carnival,
listen.
So you go carnival,
listen.
the walking you do.
First of all, when
You
carnival
realize
keep a Jamaica BSRDC a play. So I don't really get to experience the big
As a
crowd.
patron.
Brother, well, listen to me now, man. I go a carnival, And I see like about 6 girls wine over there, so and one make a mistake and look for me. Like, we should look for me like she say, man, if I dance there, you can't take him. I say, well, on them, man. And go so on 2 bad wine and gone again. So, carnival over here, brother. The experience that one, live for a year time, bro.
Let's speak about the new shuffle of bass at this OC, and we'll see some new faces where the world is not too familiar with. So, could you just talk about the new shuffling and the bass at this, because we see some new bad shooter, where the people are cheer for,
We know, they should know to you. Remember me talk about them last time there, remember? Yeah. Or you forget?
No, remember, but we just want to re-familiarize the people with.
Yeah.
Because now the people might talk about them more.
Yeah, that station of the history. Them youth will come out now, or should I say, the selector them now, they spread the glory, the Jovi National, me talk about them yesterday already. Remember them are the youth, I'm telling you, so we have some youth where sometimes you really not go know how good them is until you maybe see them a foreigner or something. We talked about them last time. And then after them we still have some newer youth, because we have a youth named TJ the shooter. Okay. Younger mixer now, very young, I'm 20.
We'll fuck up in there.
About 20 years old. TJ about.
So them officially on BSRDC so
Yeah, them work on BSRDC. So him are the youngest youth we forward there. Because Alexi Dan still in Alexi, the youth did bring him from longer time, but now he's officially a BSRDC selector.
Okay.
All right. More ask you a question. It kind of similar, kind of bring back to the carnival situation in a sense. Where me I go, more tell me how you think the sound system, them sound on the day of carnival, comparing to how we know sound systems on Jamaica.
You mean like
no,
play?
honestly,
quality wise.
Just tell me which sound you think was playing like
At a high standard.
at the best standard at
No,
Carnival?
alright. That are the thing with Carnival now with me now.
Set him up.
Me only can go one place because you see the crowd.
Yeah.
Last year, I try to find Alan Brander them. Up to now, I don't find a place.
I did that close with them, you know.
I me walk through it, but for 2 hours, I walk, I hear whole heap of sound. But me now, I just know, say, straight from one stop, all the way down the road, bam, girl is that?
That is it.
Left turn. Me not too, maybe next year,
Yes,
me try
alright, so I
to
get-
find
yes, so
somebody else, but me not too, you see the crowd, the crowd is so thick, me can't bother if you go through,
Me
go
know
through.
you side step it when cause
Yeah.
me I gotta
No,
be
but
honest.
listen to me now. If you ask me about how Gelly's
How
sound,
Gelly's
in
not
my
play? How he not
opinion,
play?
me will answer you.
All Galley's song was playing.
Gelly's sound not sound bad, but I can't compare it with like a Jamaican sound.
Why
because-
not?
Because a Jamaican sound is playing like 150 million times better than the sound them want to have up here
Bigger
outdoor.
speaker.
But you have some good playing sound up here. Now. Don't
No,
get me wrong.
No,
you know.
listen, me
That
no,
night.
listen. If you go compare, me no hear the sound of England yet,
Run a
match a
rampage
sound of
them there, go
Jamaica.
on.
Yet. Me not tell us them not there.
Yeah.
Me not tell a base off of
Your experience.
Zin.
Right.
Cause based on this and the
Why
rough
is-
cut them and the
but why
this,
is that
you know.
though? Because more
No,
the same
listen.
equipment in
No,
England.
all right. I'm gonna tell you this, and this I want me acknowledge. See? All right. You see the sound them are foreign. I think maybe through them play more indoor.
I thought you
The equipments them where we use, them not use it because you know me see less pan sounds up here, Jive Rock and expander.
DBX.
Jive Rock with the pan them, but expander, me not see no expander and the type of tweeter them when they use.
We don't have everything.
And the type of horn where them use.
Yeah.
Because speaker kind of hard to judge. You can't just look on the face of a speaker if
You
it
have
not
to put
there.
it back,
Yeah.
Because some of the best playing speaker, you know, them the label
Yeah.
pan the dust cap.
Yeah,
No.
yeah, me know what you're talking about.
Because if you look on an 18 sound, you will maybe never know say it's a 18 sound that I play until you see the Madnick. See? So, but I mean, it work for Uno, you know. Now get me wrong, you know. It work for Uno. Because what we play now, we play outdoor. So our sound have to open up like that. You get what I say? But me not really see it in England like that. You get
No,
me?
I think you try to play safe.
Yo,
No,
brother.
no.
But,
But
yo,
you know,
Rick.
it's not
Think so
safe,
too.
you know. It's just the truth. Cause you know, Lord Girl is a play good in my ears. But if you go comparing it with a sound from Jamaica or outdoor,
Not gonna work.
Yeah.
me just tell us it's a landslide difference. But it still cover the place and play damn good and sound good.
Rick, in your opinion, Lord Galley's was playing good.
In my opinion, this is the best me ever hear La Gellis
No.
play at Carnival. It wasn't playing as the standard to me know a sound system could play.
Was it playing good?
No, it was play.
Yeah,
as
play
me
safe
say,
too.
No, me not
Yes,
play.
you are, Rick.
Bro,
Yes, you are. I was there, Rick.
Yeah,
I was
play-
there.
It a
Me
play
a be
good.
honest.
Rick, I was there.
Listen,
So
Was
carry
Lord
on.
Galley's playing
Can
good?
I answer the question?
Dragon ask me afterwards.
La Gellis sound was playing the best I ever hear La Gellis sound play at Carnival.
But was
Yeah.
it playing good?
It wasn't playing the standards of what Jamaican sound.
Was it playing good?
Fam, it
Yes
was
or
playing,
no?
No, it wasn't playing the quality when we wanted.
Because all I know,
Dragon ask.
you can't hear jump on. We know always as a jump on.
No,
Brother,
but
now
it
play-
did
yo,
Hold on,
sound
no.
good.
We are not-
I'm not referring to Lord Galley's.
No,
So
hold
let
on,
me just
watch
disclaimer.
Dragon, ask
sound
Dragon.
good.
Yo,
Dragon.
let me answer that now.
Dragon.
Yo, watch out now.
Ask question, no?
Let me answer that now. Remember, me I come from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Lord Girl is not playing at the jump on me, daddy.
Oh, I wasn't referring to Lord Galley's. I
No,
was
but you
just
use
saying.
the word jump on.
I'm just.
Yeah, yeah, you have to be-
Hold on,
You have
hold
to
on.
be careful of
No,
what
no.
you do.
That was an
I was
example.
gonna use that
It was an
example.
example.
That's why I
It
say
was-
if
it
you hear a
was in
jump on
reference-
playing,
No,
and
but no.
you say that jump on is playing a bit better tomorrow.
No.
It's still a jump on. At the end of the day, that's the example that they
No,
want
but,
to
alright,
use.
So let me tell you now, based off of my experience, based off of what me hear, seeing Lord Gelly is playing good. But as me say, if you're gonna compare it
To
with a
Jamaican
Jamaican sound system,
Right.
it's like a landslide away in quality.
And I mean, you're
But listen to me, let me tell you something about sound systems. Why me think Lord Gelly is play good in that feet league or whatever. Me as a selector, me used to good sound. And when me reach them, I can hear the music, I can feel the bass, I can hear everything, you know. When I go up on the stage, because one at the time now, you know, my daddy and Andrew them say, and Johnny them say, yo, Delingy, have a chat on 3 song. And I took up the microphone was clear,
right.
proper,
Exactly.
proper. But me just say, you can't compare it with a Jamaica, like a bass of this in our bus, like, down a hell, brother. When bass
Got
of this
through
you
the
play,
fire, the
brother,
trials and tribulations.
and the rough cut them and the stone love them and the kill them, you know,
But
a different something.
Delingy,
Yeah.
no, another Angie say, yo, Delingy, you have to forward, I make people know the voice of who attack. Me did it, you know.
Yeah.
I was there.
Me not lie.
Delingy forward and play some song and the man say, yo, no.
Me some smaller son of Jamaica, which will come here and overpower them son. Even over those
What, the
small
sound
son
Yeah.
will come here
Relevant,
and make
relevant
these
unit.
sound
Yeah, but when me
look bad.
No, but when me try.
And these are small
no, that,
one
but you know,
little Amtrak song when I have a bag of equipment.
No, but what he said,
what
they
you not
mix
understand?
outdoors.
Well, what you not understanding, brother? You see, England and Jamaica, you can't. It even makes sense to compare, no? Because guess what? Our sound system is gonna be 90% outdoor.
Original.
Phone sound are gonna be 90% indoors. So you, all right. Well, Lord Gellies now would have put on an expander when I just one maybe 4 times for the year or 3 times or 1 time for the year. Then I go
2
outdoor.
times.
See, the people already know that them years done. Well, England done. Understand and I go work with that. All right, watch this now. Remember saying, when pandemic come in, everybody used to big sound. First time you couldn't catch 3 man tabacs, you know, a big dance, you know. And me say, pandemic, man a dance off a money tabacs with no bass. Just dead money tabacs. See? So the people over here, all right. So you have to start compare the sound them in England. You can't compare them with a sound
No, but this is
Jamaica.
the reason why we might say it because me a sound man. I like sound.
You sure?
Cause and you see more time the man them have like sounds string up over here.
Yeah.
And me go there and me listen to his sound them and me feel embarrassed. It's
Funu
like
sound
me
play
don't
better
feel
than
like,
Gallis one, Rick.
Eh?
Funu sound play better than Gallis.
If you play better than Gillis?
Yeah.
Yeah, you play better than Gillis.
All right. That
Right.
me ask. All
All
right.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that me a
all
talk,
right.
man.
No,
Talk
but
things them.
No, you what?
wasn't
All right,
the
never tell you
main
this.
issue.
Never tell you this. All right, brother, listen to me. Let me tell you this, my honest opinion. Zane, when me reach a Gellies,
Yeah.
Gellies a play good for me. Me have no problem. I can hear the you have the openness. Me know that, because me play bass at this. Me not hear it open up so. But me realize that there's no expander.
And no DBs.
And the hand them what them use are the different type of hand, because we use one heavy duty hand and we are using heavy duty tweeter them. Them have that. But it a play damn good.
Alright, like
For me.
Hold on, okay.
You understand what I say?
As a patron, yeah,
Yeah.
me never for years have a problem with them sound playing or a problem with them selecting problem. That's what I had. Because half of the time, obviously DJ reach and them repeat tune them, but them just not play the girl tune them, which I'm pissed off with.
And you
But,
want wine for that girl.
but Rick walk past me. Rick
You know
walk,
what?
hold on,
You know
check
see
on.
you.
We can tell you, Rick walk past me, I'm saying, Rick. And Rick keep it moving. I don't want for that guy, I'm not care. But the point is this here. Me not problem with the sound part because it's clarity. For me, as I say, England is what England is. Jamaica is what Jamaica is.
Yeah.
But the
But-
selecting part of it was my problem. But the whole playing part of it, the sound was good. It was like what?
Me alright.
7 or 8
me,
bucks.
brother, me not no problem with this.
No, hold on. It was 7 or 8
sound
bucks
alright,
on each
brother.
side of the column them. So I'm good.
You see like how you talk about sound, me know we probably never do want go down the lane, but we feel like
Yeah.
we need to
Yeah.
tell people.
Yeah.
Because you know, basically say, killing machine a yard,
Yeah.
Delingy,
Yeah.
main shoot up on the sound.
Yeah.
But you have a next bad sound where down there going with a bag of things now. We don't work for
Enough
color
you
on
have
the
now,
box.
no,
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 me
no.
talk about one specific one.
What their name?
We have one orange box on it. For one top of one car.
What them name?
Me can't remember my name. We had talked about it earlier, man.
But one mobile.
Watch him go like you don't know me I talk about, man.
Orange box.
Orange box. We still don't have orange box though.
Our red box, yeah.
Red and black. We
Oh,
still-
you thought my mobile?
Talk about that sound because
Yeah. Well, maybe a mobile.
your son.
Yeah, my son.
Where's son name?
Fully bad.
So you don't feel like
You go
basically
send
say
machine.
find them all killer for this.
No, cause me still have, how them all kill me.
Is that
Me
some
not,
John
me
after
not play
John?
my son.
It's your business.
Listen, me not play my son. Me have selector for my son.
So how that work now? Because if you have
Conflict of interest?
exactly.
No,
Yeah,
no,
it can't be.
I
can't
think
be.
Rick's question
It can
would
be.
be,
All
okay,
right.
so this is where you explain to us how is
Yeah.
it not a conflict of interest,
It can
and
be.
then talk to us a little bit about
All
the
right.
history behind you
All right, watch
creating
this now.
mobile
Powered
sound.
by BS.
Let me tell you how me come by the mobile too. See? Remember me do commercial. Me used to do the voicing like a big up dance, like in a commercial, same commercial I play
Yeah,
on radio.
adverts, yeah.
Ads.
Yeah.
Now, me do it in a studio. Cause you know, me are the first one in Alexandria now. Cause Quincy used to do that first, you know. And then when him start get healed now and start get weak, him used to make me and him do it like him just start it and
And
me
you
finish it.
complete it, right?
Now him used to just plug a mic in
Burn
in
box,
the laptop
Yeah.
or whatever. A matter of fact, before laptop. the mixer board and tape it, record it.
Yeah.
See? Now me come now and chew it, it become a good business for me.
Right.
Because that is my business differently from base of the city.
Right.
Yeah, make good money off it still. See? So that's my second business.
Right.
So now me decide say me go start give them quality. So me go now and boom now and me get cause me did start mix the song them for base of the city and whatever. So me have Pro Tools and the proper system, the proper system. So me start do commercial. Now what happen now? The man them never take the music, the system serious.
Right.
A man just put up maybe one little steel on or two little speaker and some people used to call back and say, yo, the man for the car said the system they had no sound good because it's on this started. I mean I said no, I have a proper system. So me tired of that now, so me go so boom now and me link up with some bridge now and them introduce me to some little car, the little Datsun. Me see dog them turbo them up and me I say, yo, turbo, stick. And I stick me use the driving me at 12 years old I come up the line. No, me I got set up one, so me set up one. So me set up it now, me go so boom and me put 2 10-inch on it and you know, it sound wicked, brother. Police take away all from me at Trelawney and judge, me a pass a Brownstone and the judge send police for me over the road and them something that how it loud enough. Cause the first a man I go hear sound system now with hand, tweeter and speaker up on the side, bass a lick down the place.
And mobile.
But you are used to know when me in my ear I got a lot of round robin. So everybody used to say, yo, you can't make the car come play with little round robin. But them not understand so if your mobile play all night, you need a lot of work. You need a charger. You need something to stabilize the current. You need batteries.
Yeah.
You need amps. You understand? You need a lot of things for a mobile player.
Right.
So people are nag me because it's so good and people are nag me and my little brother I say, yo, set up here and make it play, man. And we monitor it. So I go so boom and say, all right, then I go turn it in a mobile. So I get about $3. And when I get $3, I start see some mobile now. I start get interested in a mobile. Because I used to hear mobile and just walk past them. Now I start pre-mobile. So I start see me used to play TikTok. I know TikTok a big mobile sound. But I start realize a little funny night. So I go and build my sound now. When I build my little mobile now, I start as small. Then I say, no man, I'm in Delingy. I can't put your road so. Then I buy more amps. Then I buy more speaker. Then everybody a link me. So I'm not ready yet. Then I buy this, and I buy that, and I buy that, and I buy that, and I buy that. Then now it become one mobile we can stand up to most of the big mobile in my yard. As simple as little as you see it be. See? So we launch it and it go and go and good.
So you cut dub plate with it?
Me have dub, of course me have dub. Because now it's a mobile because me want to get some clash and things. So me.
But Delingy, this is what the people are saying. They're saying the dub style and the dub pattern is cutting the same as bass. This is.
No, I lie, you tell you never hear none of my dub.
That them I say.
Nobody never hear none of my dub. Them I lie, you are tell.
Me hear a couple dub a wheel up on TikTok what there.
No,
when the sound string up and it two little box them they out like a one bar there.
Brother, that the rhythm the way you hear me play bass, this have one dub on that the rhythm there.
but them said it, me don't know. It sound like it's a bass at this rhythm, you know.
No that.
That's what the people must say.
No, nobody can say that I lie. You they tell.
I lie me I tell.
Me can tell you say I lie. You a tell. And me can promise you say.
Yeah.
Any dub you hear upon my sound sound like bass at this because say it's a one dub where you just can't move the rhythm. Like me nitty coachy. Big gun man boss boy and the nice. That the pan coachy. And heavy sound and Earl got the pan coachy.
You just want them universal.
Where you just can't move it. But me can promise you. No.
Yeah.
So why you not make the you know voice them similar to
No, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. I mean, no want my selector them do that either. Yeah, I mean, no want to do that. That you see that now. Listen, if you build something in my boss, I remember, you know, me not build this sound for play it, you know.
Right.
And that's the part of making.
Yeah, me not build this sound for play it, you know. Me build
so
this.
how you gonna have a business and you not got, and you
You're gonna
as
oversee it.
Right, the
Yeah.
key word is business.
So wait now.
Business.
So wait now. How far the kid are based on this and don't play it?
but Father Keith is not a selector.
Brother, that's
Is a
the
who?
point he's
Is a
saying.
what? Is a what?
Father Keith is a
Boss.
owner, a boss.
So
So
me
that
what?
was the owner. See, answer your own question.
Yeah, no, alright.
Listen to me.
The reason,
No.
I'm just playing devil's advocate.
No,
I
listen.
understand what you're
Yeah,
saying.
me know. But
Oh,
listen to me. My mobile are fun for me. Right? A fun for me. Me get my selectors them for go and play.
It's income,
Yeah.
it's business.
See? Listen now. Watch out now. Remember, you know, All like people in my ear, I don't know that. But listen, remember Stenny Stepper got film sound, I play 7 nights a week.
Stenny have sound?
Of course, Stenny have Stepper squad. What you talk about? See?
Lie.
But listen, if Carly say, tonight bass of this in and play, and we go to Boom and we decide say we are going to dance, all of we will play it. You understand? But me now build the sound for me play, because I will never left bass of this. You understand? If for me left bass of this, me and my boss would have to have something where me have left or
you're fired.
Alright, or me retire or something where that not gonna happen, because guess what? You see me, you know, bass of this is right up your son. We bring bass of this up your son. So anything me do, whether me go solo or me play a next sound, whether my sound or the other sound, I back where me I go.
So do you think this is a blueprint for selectors? Because if you realize, enough of the older selector them where you stay in the business, apart from like Mataran, Firelinks and them, and they will still have any Sky Juice. Like some of the man we used to play like some bad sound, intercept them and so. Well, we don't really hear nothing much about.
Yeah.
You feel like say because they never really invest in our next start our business, like I don't know, maybe what you are doing. Yeah.
Listen,
it's probably the
Harry,
way
I never
forward.
can tell. Watch this now. I'm gonna tell you something. Sometimes some great things start off and right so. Alright. Remember me not gonna play sound until me at 80, 90, 100. What about if, because there's gonna come a time when me and BSRDC, I won't leave it, but it gonna come a time when me get old,
Music run left you.
me get old and me have to go sit back.
And the new
What
one,
about when that time come? Me can be a foundation boss. Remember, a man who when me can say my son, me can say boy, me have a 30-year-old son, a 20-year-old son out there go and play. And them time there, me and Keith can stay son.
and watch
Me a
them.
boss, my
I'm
boss
going back
too,
road.
and
Well,
whatever it
that's-
is. Yeah.
No, 200 sounds string up in a one hand.
No,
Just
listen.
like Ricky Trooper and
Me
Father
tell the
Harper.
truth. Me tell the truth. Flat on the ground, bad man. Me just loyal to the base of this. Me
And-
loyal to my
Alright,
son.
alright,
Me loyal to it. And when me build my mobile, me build it. The first thing, see the first thing when me do, me build my mobile and I get my selector them. If go out there and do them thing. That I'm saying that is the next income for
Yeah,
me.
that's what I'm saying. You're
and
creating
thing.
income for yourself.
So me
income for
own a
other people.
mobile. Me own a mobile.
Yeah, but what about the person who's dedicated side of the breads?
Yeah.
Breads forward, because I know I feel like I'm alone.
Alright, so basically, let me cut long story short, the business part right. Basically, I just say,
Yeah.
film mobile,
Yeah.
it's a subgenre to bass ADC. So basically, it's DJs that wouldn't probably be on bass ADC. It's still, we call it now, what's the word I'm looking for? Familiarize with bass ADC.
brand.
So it's just a sub-heading. So there probably be events where bass ADC wouldn't really take because of who they are. This is where them that forward in and fill the gap.
Yeah.
And he's the middleman between two. Obviously, in the bass ADC all the way through. Before him started, I'm assuming he had a conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So
it's just like when I meet Mill signed to Rick Ross and them the own label afterwards. So everybody I win. So eventually, who the pan theme son could transfer to Odyssey because them it's
No,
what I say.
honestly-
No, not really. Me can't
No,
feel
no,
that.
no.
listen.
I'm just saying, you never
listen.
know what can
How
go
me
on.
stay, alright. How me stay, no. Let me tell you how me stay still. See? If me have a bad selector, alright. If my sound, me see my sound, they are one place. Call it they are in a place and one of my selector, me see great talent in him. When me think say, my sound system a waste film time, me a bring him come over bass at this thing.
See, I just
Like,
and there's
when,
nothing
no,
wrong
when
with
me
that.
say it, you know, me mean like, cause me tell you this, you know, and every selector can know this, you know.
me a profit.
Sometimes you're a young selector, you know, and you're there one place, you know, where
You've
we're going to hold you
outgrown
back,
the
you know.
environment.
You're going to hold you back,
exactly.
you know. Because
Yeah.
every sound system are going to make a selector great, you know. But you have sound systems who are going to make a selector great.
True.
You see me I say?
True.
So if me see, because remember say, end of the day, me want to be a after me continue. The future, that's why I build so much youth around it.
Right.
So if me go so boom now, I say one of my youth them, I feel like say, my sound, him can reach
Higher heights.
higher heights.
Right.
And my son are holding back. See? Remember, you know, this I go mean say, him bad, you know, but my son just nah. Him need fee. Yeah, I say, yo brother, here what
needs
go
to
on.
grow.
That's say, yo brother, here what go on. BSIC.
So
Yeah,
I look at it from the perspective where you've created an avenue for income for yourself, one, obviously because you own the business, and two, you've created the avenue for income for younger DJs. You provide them with the experience of improving the talents that they have.
And the next thing again, me fall in love with mobile. Me love it because like a sport to me. You know, like you buy a Benz and you wash it down. So like me just start love the mobile. It have a whole heap of excitement.
Me have a little question. Hold on, the birds. Me have a little question. You say, if a selector is bad off your son, you to bring them forth to BSDC, right? And you like to watch the nurturing and the upbringing of younger selector forward up.
Yeah.
Like, I've been watching this space, but I can't see a protege when me say, it's Damian Delingy really bring this person to the forefront where everybody say, yo, it's Delingy. Do you have a protege out there where we don't know about?
Ever talk country talk to me?
Do you have a selector where your boss, where you say, yo, you will bring him to the world? Where you will show him over talk and people can say, yo, me can't see. What Delingy do for that youth are the rare?
11 of them.
Cause some name no cause like me can't identify them.
Lex. Tennis Stepper. Vilmore.
Me never know that. Me never know that. So
you don't know BSIDC.
Me know BSIDC, but me never know.
Let him finish. Say the 11 of them. Let him say the 11.
No, not about BSIDC.
You're on 2. You have 9 more.
No, he's
all right,
gone
let me tell you something.
He's gone 4.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. All right.
4?
Yeah.
Me start up here. Can we have time?
Yeah, we have time.
We have 6 minutes.
6 minutes?
No, we have like a time, man. We get extra time on Clive. Nobody with it.
Watch on that. Watch on me that now. Let me tell you, select them response to me.
Yeah.
Squingy, Mark, Skinny, Worm, Doing, 5.
Yeah.
When I come BSIDC, me had the 6. I was the 6 selector upon it. See? And all of them helped me in some way.
Yeah.
For me, be Delingy. The selector will be today. Right? Now, true, me not ungrateful. I'm a youth now. My circle small. And me not like getting a mix up on them. So I have a lot of time to think. And I decide, say, if them youth never help me, because when me come a BSIDC, you know, just the fact that I work on it, I'm good with that, you know. I never know someone that on star on a fly. I never business that, you know. I just know say BSIDC me the pan. And you get more vagina. You understand? So me alright. Yeah, so BSIDC a play. So me alright with that. Now, me realize now, say, the help with everybody, the input where everybody put in my career over the years. See? Me just decide, say, me have to do that for some youth. So if you find out, say, when a youth come from BSIDC, at some way down the line, you ask him, yo, who help your career? He might go call Delingy name.
Yeah, but when we speak about helping career, I'm talking about a protege where you're responsible, like teach him the tricks and the craft of the game.
Brother,
because hold on, Delingy.
You're not listening to me.
Well, I know. Because obviously, if you done that for Lex and Tennis Stepper and Country Speng, obviously, it's been something you've been keeping very quiet and top secret because you're not out there like Bounty Killer and say, yo, I mean, bring them forth.
Me no need to do that. The evidence, me no need to do that. No,
me don't know, because I'm a BSIDC fan from the idea knee, so you don't know it. So if me don't know that, like a lot of people don't know it.
All right, you want to mash up you now. You live foreign. You live a foreign and me live a Jamaica. See? Me live a Jamaica, you live a foreign. Right? You see, if you call a man a Jamaica right now and ask him about BSIDC, if I go call him a selector name, maybe you don't know nothing about.
Like who know? New one?
I mean, well, new, but not that new. If me tell about Mario.
We know Mario.
What you know about Mario?
For plaid shirt Mario.
Yeah, so what you know about Mario?
Mario a bad mixer.
No,
that
can't answer the question.
I don't know Mario like that. But I know Mario.
You got in a class.
All right.
Because like at that time when Mario just tried this, I was
Mario can play against any sound system on the planet.
Yeah, because Mario can juggle.
Okay.
Me know from Mario just joined BSIDC. I think the first dance when we watch Mario play was a dance up a Apache Beach with BSIDC Stone of me member up at St. Mary.
Right.
That a little bit before me fly out. And him that juggle and me and my brother them that I say, yo, boy bad car. Remember we always a fan of the sound system. So when dance keep big dance keep, we got dance from box put up, go buy to soap. You know, watch box put up and hear sound play good.
All me can
and
tell
come
you.
back away and fall back and dance come more.
All me can tell you is, see, BSIDC have the strongest team and the most sorted out team on the planet.
Yeah.
Meaning, every selector on my sound know them role and them master it. See? And sometime, you know how long Spread the Glory play bass, I say?
20 years.
Probably about 7 years.
Yeah, maybe him catch 6-7 years.
Probably about 7 years.
But wait now. Remember Spread the Glory. You know when Spread the Glory getting right break, where everybody know him by name, like
on the big clash.
over Tivoli.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You remember last year I talked about Spread them, I call all of them name Mario. Mario is the youth when I did tell you last year, say father kid grandson that, no?
Yeah.
Okay. You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
So it's how long me I talk about them.
Yeah.
See? And you see, we're spread there now, from BSRDC.
Yeah.
Spread it can go anywhere, play any dance, in any condition.
Because I feel like it's a Spread the Glory. In terms of BSRDC, he bring a little tricks and tricks to BSRDC where it was necessary because when people know Damian and Delingy as a raw, mean killing machine, you like a bounty.
Yeah.
Spread the Glory is more like the cartel.
Yeah.
At the BSRDC thing, you know, him finesse the crowd and, you know, him go out with some things.
No, but
go out with some things.
No, but what you're saying, you base off of some tape or you hear. Cause remember you got
Country Spain.
No, country that foreign man. You have Vilmore.
Foreign Spain.
Remember you got Vilmore, you know.
Yeah.
You got Dishon, you know. Who create impact, you know. But let me tell you something. See, Spread the Glory is a very experienced selector. Yeah? Very experienced selector. And him bad. You see me I say?
I feel like him have BSRDC future for clash.
I mean, yeah. Me feel so. Me feel so.
What everybody else
feel so.
Full of gimmicks.
Yeah, me feel so. Me feel so. But at the end of the day still, what I always tell my selector them say, watch your style now. You can't lose your way because you will lose your way. Because soon as your name start call, you have a bag of people in your DM and in your, I say you're this and you're that and you're better than a man than a rare. So if you don't know yourself, you will lose your way. I mean, hope the selector them, the younger selector them from BSRDC, just make we go and do what we are doing right now, kind of work.
Yeah.
And we just put in the work. You see, once you put in the work and the fans them, all right, they are going to work with you. And BSRDC will be sealing like how it has sealed now.
So speaking about losing, hold on the birds. Speaking about losing your way.
Yeah.
Last time you've been here, you wasn't taking any date with Chris Dymond. Are you start taking any date with Chris Dymond now?
Yes, man.
So we have
when I'm in this situation.
Jagan, you kind of read my script over here.
Yeah, man. Remember this, you know.
Yeah.
Remember so when Mr. Man take no date with Chris Dymond, see?
Yeah.
Chris Dymond all over the place. I say we're free them and and this and that. So I just say, remember, you know, when you said to me last year, you know, you say, what you think? I say maybe in the future we will start playback. So the first dance we playback was the Clash of Moby.
Okay.
And then now, I say a poster come out on a brunch we on Code Red. You see me? So we on Code Red play now and we open for Clash.
So that has happened, but remember you had said you needed an apology or some sort. Did you get an apology?
I mean,
based on the situation that happened.
In a happen brawling, but it you know, Code Red kind of depend on different meds as far as how me see it. Them kind of depend on different cause. Me and the youth were mix. Me and him good enough because when me see me hear him and everything.
Oh, that's lank.
Yeah. You see me? So, but you see, what man have to understand, brother. I mean, like when, cause you have some man like this, you know. You see, if like me, say me now come back at the radio station, you have a chat off your mouth and say, oh, Ray, one bag of sick.
I would.
But you see me now, you see how me stay now. You see, if me see certain people that gravitate to it, me coming back here, you know. I just saw me stay. I just saw me stay. See?
So, Delingy.
Yeah.
Now, ask that question. 2 questions. So, would you ever clash Code Red? And
Clash them already.
Me say again.
Why are you looking at me?
I never
said anything.
Jagan,
no, but you're looking directly at me, bro.
No answer yet. Me never see it or hear it. I want to say a new one. Secondly, in the UK, if we clash a son, because we ask artists these shit. So in the UK, we clash a son, we son is capable, reputable, ex-South Lord Gelly and Andrew Fresh, reputable.
He's a part of Lord Gilly.
No, that's why I said 2 names.
But you can't say, look.
I said
Andrew
X them
Fresh.
out. X them out. Now, with him can't mention a name there. A default name that.
But Andrew Fresh is a part of Lord Gilly's. So
Let
you
me say
can't
again.
say
Let me say.
anyways.
In the UK, take out Lord Gilly and Andrew Fresh out of the numbers. Yeah, me no want to call him name. Because a default so them heavyweight.
Yeah.
We saw in the UK thing, with a gear run for your money, I give a challenge. So remember the first one, we did class back coded again, and we did in London and that, and which UK sound you think, or you know, obviously I know, they are sound man, you think that give a clash, if it happen.
Me know who can.
No, make it.
No, let me answer. So there must be somebody where your ears play
he has
some
his-
dub bass.
Ladies and Uncle,
something.
Uncle
but
Ivan,
remember-
just
but
zoom in
remember
on
say you
Delingy's
have-
Don't be a
face.
politician, man.
but
Don't be
you know,
bro God cousin.
Remember say you have a bad sound in Ireland.
Just pick one.
No.
No,
pick
me not
one.
gonna pick none.
All right, pick
Me
a
nah-
few.
Me not pick none.
Who did a UK sound?
If me da clash on the UK sound,
Yeah.
then me not always remember me clash
Every
UK
year.
sound already.
Yeah, but what may I say? We not talk about this, so we talk about yes, so.
No man, then brother, me
Alright.
clash any sound. What you say?
Oh, you clash already, yeah? But obviously, all right, put down here. Me that way you clash a particular sound, me not call the name because the man say,
Who? Calling him there now, because we not Wobbe, man.
me that say Black Knight sound.
Oh,
Black Knight sound.
Black Knight.
We not reaching that.
Be quiet, be shush, the man answer the question. Me that say Black Knight because them full of dub from Bob Marley days.
Yeah. But
To know.
me not familiar with them on a level, but me hear them name already.
So at least you hear them names, so you don't say that's sound. Then me clash, you
Well,
know.
not because me hear the name. Me just tell us me hear the name
No,
already,
but
me
that's
not
that's
familiar.
good. When they get at all, it'll be a problem.
Yeah.
So that means that them above board. Me that say Black Knight sound, yeah? Cause them,
Based on this, it's just home to any clash.
Black Knight song.
that's why I said it.
We're just asking the question
Yeah.
still.
Me
No.
me not
but that-
familiar. Me
Boy,
not-
I like a chat all about fucker tonight, still.
Can we give you some suggestions that the live is giving us? Over here, Crystal Blue.
What?
Crystal Blue.
You sure Crystal Blue?
Oh
you said?
no! Somebody said Crystal Blue park up now since lockdown. Worldstar _
been
entertainment
active.
_1 has been very
Okay, Micah. Okay.
yeah
Yeah.
has been sharing a lot of viewpoints this evening.
Live this. Okay.
Black Knight isn't good apparently according to Worldstar _ entertainment _1. Silverlinks, I don't know if you're referring to someone who Delingy could or
MJ
Base
already.
Odyssey could clash. But I mean, you said you're not familiar with all the sounds
No,
here
no,
in the UK.
Like me know the name them.
Remember
but,
you have
but,
some
but,
big
but me
sound.
not familiar with
Name
the.
some son.
Eh?
We ain't know over here.
No, that are politics.
No. I mean like we're familiar with. No, this is not. This is
No,
me-
because
me
him only
play-
for somebody
No,
name
me no
and it's
want-
politics.
No.
No.
Honestly,
Just
me
leave
no,
that alone.
Alright, Captain
alright,
Sam,
listen.
Just leave that alone.
Me no want to get to about this, but all me can tell you is that based on this, you will clash with any sound.
And you're not afraid.
Once
The money
everything
is
is
right.
right. Need any money, once everything, the whole business structure. is
All right.
Cool.
Me feel like-
And
Eh?
go ahead.
I feel like the clash is dying.
I
said
I think so.
said that
Yeah,
before.
because of
And
UK
I-
DJs.
And
I said that before, and the people them cuss me off. But I agree with you, my fellow co-host.
Ross, we're up on the same boat.
No,
so,
sir.
so far instance,
Our
so
ship are
far,
playing.
Yeah.
our general will win so much war and been in the clash for so long.
Yeah.
Or you think you can save it? Because I realize that the clash system is too much man for that clash business.
Love
and you
injection,
know, say
a good
man
shout.
don't really
All right.
spend money at dance like that if woman
All
is
right.
there.
Kind of, all right. Clash. Is a clash? Boy, you know. It depends on how you say save it, you know.
No,
Because,
for instance, if you look at most of the clash dances,
yeah.
the capacity in the venues are
as before.
No.
is
All
not
right,
full.
hold on. now.
Jagan, wait,
All right.
Jagan,
All right, me can tell us say, enough people love clash, because they love the excitement. Me love clash, right? But I think through the business of so much, it's so easy to be a selector nowadays, eh? That mashup clash. Because if you got, say, London, if you have London and you got 70% a juggling sound and 30% a clash sound, see? And the people them go nearly 7 days a week and them a listen juggling. Them are gonna automatically start love that.
Yeah.
So the clash thing I go kind of whatever.
But
See?
you're basically
But
management.
you me think are the biggest thing now, see? 90% of the sound them are cut dub plates right now. You play a clash You listen to a Clash and you say, him sound like bass Odyssey. Them song, them a cut like Jar, them a cut like you see, but it's when Squingy them and Mataran and Links them and Chupa them a lead out. Them a cut some different. Cause me not show off on both, you know. Me cutting for bass Odyssey right now, you know. Bass can lead the world, you know, in terms of cutting.
Why you say that?
Because when me cut a rhythm, me have a whole heap of sound I use the same rhythm after the year bass Odyssey use it. And most of the songs that me put on it, me get a whole heap of good reviews after it. Meaning you can know when you do something and it take the world by surprise. Sense. See? So I know bass Odyssey is in a good place when it come on to cutting song.
But you don't feel like you're playing a dying sport.
Clash?
Yeah.
I mean, Clash is dying, yes.
So how, because your management team started a little campaign once to try to see it.
Because we try now. But as me tell us,
with that?
But me I try to tell us, most of the patrons them is going out here to juggling dances.
Thank you very much.
So people not too love Clash. You find, and a whole heap of people love Clash anymore. So that's why the Clash scene are dead. Alright, they say even early 2000 me come a bass Odyssey. We used to play 70% dub plate and 30% 45 in our juggling dance. Now, you have to play like maybe 20% dub plate nowadays. Me have to cut like, alright, Wild Out, Mad Out. Me have to cut them song there. And watch how me do it now. Me cut them for hardcore rhythm and regular rhythm. And nowadays, if me know in one Clash or me there, maybe I want Europe or, you know, or the dance kind of get hardcore. You have to play on original rhythm too. See? Yeah. So, but what me try to do, we have a thing on the hardcore juggling, my bass Odyssey do. Me try to, my selector them, I make them unique with the juggling. So you will hear, and every girl I get wild out tonight, and then you hear bam bam, doom, I come in and it catch them and you hear me play. I make you fuck up in here, oh no, watch ya, Anna. Can me cut that pan a rhythm there?
Yeah, but me feel like that's a kill dance also.
Yeah, not really. But you wanna what me do this now is me still educate the people who don't want to hear dub plates. A dub plate can still sweet in our juggling.
Because at the end of the day, when we know about dance and sound system, like bass Odyssey have a, what you call it, like a set style. If them not play that style in any dance, like a little segment, come like it's not bass Odyssey playing. Just like Stone Love. If Stone Love come here, you know, Stone Love sound, I know you the bass, this is the big bass Odyssey out of Alexandra. Come like say, it's a knockoff thing. You know, if we not hear like a setup.
Bass Odyssey is one of the hardest sound for playing, you know. Me and mommy tell her that, you know.
Why you say that?
Alright, when bass Odyssey come in our dance, see, remember when I put up a poster at bass Odyssey, you have the clash man them, I feed them sound that. And you have the juggling people them, I come for here, the juggling side of bass Odyssey. Now, a girl them, worse than the one you're not dub play. I can't tell you that. Girl no one come and dance, you're not dub, brother. You have some people now where they will listen 1 and 2 dub if it come across good, like upon original rhythm. But them no want hear the back of dub. Now you have a set of people over there so no want hear. Them no mind bass Odyssey from the start at dub till daylight. Now, you are going to level the ball ground now. You have to take beating somewhere at any given night, you know.
That is true.
Me can tell us that. But what we try to do, we have to make sure majority go home all right. So if even 3 girls go and put your pal on Facebook, where not sometimes we play a sound dance and some girl, bass they say that the sound they play too much dub. But you have to understand something, you have to try please everybody in some little way. So remember you know, enough sound stop cut dub, you know. And enough sound cut dub now get it right, you know.
You know why? Alright, you see that little segment there, because I did Jamaica recently.
Yeah.
And me get annoyed because I hear Carnival I play upon Sorry. It sound good when you hear it first.
The remix them fuck
But
up
the bag of remix there where 7 o'clock me there I drink Dragon and say drink the soup and I want a local vibe and listen to the box them.
Save himself to spoil.
And yeah, listen to certain and you hear one Chronic or one Massacre.
You know?
Yeah.
It show me off.
Yeah. But
Alright.
hey, you see that something where them put Panserat and a worst thing could happen to your business.
But it's good in a sense if you know if you use it.
Man, that good in a club, brother.
Me can say
Me
something.
can't tell you this. You see, everybody a remix god now, you know. So, a man, we play a belly ass rhythm from early. But you know, we use belly ass rhythm as a early. I set the pace and I set the party.
And I bust the party.
Watch on, man. Yeah, belly ass, you know. Slow them up, you know, them, and then you I make you back up in there. You know, Haja. I remember that the song they're not supposed to play till 2:30. You know?
Yeah.
You understand?
Can I say something? Can I say something? Can I say something, please, guys? So basically, back to the clash scene.
Yeah.
As I said before.
Clash are dead.
No, the reason why it's dying is this, as him said.
Yeah.
Everybody want juggle.
Everybody want juggle, brother.
And then them guy crack a show word.
Yeah.
And as they say, if you say a clash, people come out and them expect that.
Yeah.
But you can't go juggle. Been to couple juggle, but turn into 3-song clash.
Yeah.
But if it's a competition, people love that regardless of what genre you've been in. So if you're gonna do a clash over here, you have to do a straight clash. Don't man do it's a juggling thing. All of a sudden, double plate cut for that man and a man there. So you're kind of killing it in its own sense. Not the fans don't want to come out.
And sometimes
No.
they clash them too. They clash them too. I keep nowadays. To come with too much rules and regulation too.
Because you have a limit. So like you, I think it's a handicap match because it's too bad.
Yes, it kind of show off. Because all clash going on. No, we clash. Maybe you have some song can clash differently. Because me, honestly, I tried the commercial clash every couple of years straight. And I don't know. I know something with me like. Because enough people are going to say, boy, can't take your whole heap of suck your this and blah, blah. But let me tell you something. When a clash open, you can say anything and play anything or whatever. Right? Because commercial clash, some of my biggest songs them have to stay aboard. Like me cannot play Buju Banton, Boom Bye Bye, me can't play Sizzla, this and me can't play. Like them selectively tell you say some of them songs I can't play. Which is, but remember say any idea when we are play this song, we are play this song regardless. We don't care. Brother, we don't care how a man want to live in life, but we're not business with a man.
So talk, as you've touched that point, I mean, there are quite a number of people who are on the live who might not understand the general, original rules of what a clash is. Can you explain to us?
All right. A clash is...
Because as you pointed out, nowadays, the rules them different and them tailor it to this sort of dance. Tell us about the original rules of a clash.
All right. The original rules I know about, you prepare, me prepare, right? Mm-hmm. If you can find something that can hurt me in terms of, even if you go say a lie,
right?
Make up a story or whatever, see? And we know the things where Jamaicans or people, Caribbean people gravitate to faster. Most of that is against it's against the kind of clash where you're there.
The agenda.
You understand?
Okay.
Because me supposed to can openly prepare any way me want to prepare.
Right.
You understand? So say, all right then, you have a personal problem and me go hear about it.
You go use it.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like if you, not say you.
No. The wall over there, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, like all right then, the wall over there so eat the puss.
Yeah.
No, dragon on your no puss.
The wall.
Jagan walk
The wall.
Jagan what you do?
No.
Jagan what you do?
The wall yam the puss.
Jagan eat the puss.
Well, I'm going to try to say, Zin, all right. You, all right, as you not talk about mine opinion, yeah, you not mine opinion then, Zin. All right, because say you not mine opinion then, you not mine opinion then, and me decide say, all right then, I cut a song now, and this you up about that. Is it? Because the crowd go wicked about it, because you know, the crowd against it, is it? And me go say, boom now, I'm going to get a rule, I say, me can inflict no violence or
retaliation.
Yeah, because me because this song I say, the boy don't know my name Pitney. So a gunshot him forget. Remember we don't mean that in a clash this, excitement and just entertainment. You have a piece of paper and say, you can't do that.
Yeah.
Zin, and you can't cuss nobody, then you can't that. You understand? So it kind of soft up it. It kind of soft up the clash. We have all the bass at this, we're rough. Like we clash rough. I mean, you can always adjust, but we try it and...
The restriction doesn't really
because
work.
the way we cut dub plate is like cutting dub commercial in a work for bass at this. Like the crowd will come out, come hear it. Them know so we're very creative
real
when they come on to get in a dance,
yeah.
a 90s dance hall or a... Even say, I want soca rhythm then or an old soca rhythm and cut pan. The bass at this knowing for that.
Right.
See? And when a man come and hear bass at this play drift pan the original rhythm, no man ever say. Channel dog.
Them wait for something else I play again.
Yeah, them are gonna say, boy, bass of this is normally bass of this would write over the lyrics and so I mean I only a thing against Clash right now. I mean it go on, you know, but
it's not as it was
no,
back in the days.
Clash.
So Delingy as a person, before we go any further, have you ever think about venturing the artist realm? Because we know that you're doing a lot of writing for Bass Odyssey.
No.
Do you ever think about singing a song?
No, my talent not
Don't reach this up.
No, you're my talent wicked them way you know. Me hear you do something and flip it wicked. Me don't know if I true me put more interest in that.
Yeah.
But me
You've never tried it.
Yeah, because I will if a song me write, you know. Enough of them dub where you hear a flow out of Bass Odyssey box, pen and paper business. But me listen to the song and me flip them. Yeah, and me and my team them we come together and we flip it. Because I know my brain alone work on Bass Odyssey too.
Teamwork.
I'm a matter of fact, when me do something, me make them hear and, you know, and then we tell me, say, Delingy, you can say this differently and whatever. You see me, but writing a song from scratch, you know, if you go find one melody and I know me that, brother. I know my talent, that my boss.
So it's we're in September now, so 3 months left for 2023 to you know wrap up and think. What any things in the pipeline for Bass Odyssey or for Delingy or for what's your song name again?
Fully Bad.
Fully Bad. Talk to us about what is on the calendar for the rest of the year.
Fully Bad.
Put Fully Bad pampas. We talk about Bass Odyssey first. Okay. What's on the pipeline for Bass Odyssey for the rest of the year?
Well, Bass Odyssey always a tour. Right now, we have guys who just have finished up Connecticut now and spread the glory of them and go for a big dance next week, Saturday over Antigua with Addies and I think Love Injection, the Punny and Stonewall, and well, a big dance. And the same night with the St. Elizabeth, we are King Addies, same night, and Black Champion up in a place called Trial.
Okay.
And you know, basically, it's always up on the road. You know, next week, Saturday, this Saturday,
which is the 9th of September.
Yeah, Medal Luton.
Okay.
Seeing, you know, Thunder First dance that. And everybody must hear about the big dance so I keep on New York now, the 24th that?
September.
It's Mighty Crown Farewell.
Really?
In Amazura.
Oh, okay.
No, I will pass on over there, but them have Mighty Crown now out there now. Soul Supreme, Bass Odyssey, LP, and them add some other people.
Are they streaming? Wait. Are they streaming that dance? Because
listen, I can't tell you who I come out until Chin. Chin a Japa sound like maybe in Japa sound every week. So
we know the match around.
That a big. You see the dancer now.
Yeah.
The dancer gonna be our dancer gonna go down in the history. You know why? It is Mighty Crown Farewell.
Right.
Them said this is the last one, and they're gone in retirement.
And
so
anybody who use a Clash with Mighty Crown over the years, you know,
will be on the stage.
So you can look for the match around
what them do is a good thing where. What a way for say, well done, my boss. Well, the best way, honestly, to me, I wait for the Mighty Crown. Well done.
Giving him the roses.
Well done. I mean, a man can retire anytime.
But you don't feel like that unfair because why they not pass down the sound to younger generations then instead of
no, well, you see, them have to know that. We know what we are doing over Bass Odyssey, yes, but every sound if you know what them are do.
But me not like
I an idea, Rick. Suppose if you don't see that.
Me can get involved in that.
If you don't see that around you because I an idea.
Yeah.
You have look on it this way. If Bass Odyssey never have some capable youth around it like DMN and you know Spready and Key to them and Country Speng them and the Worm them and the Lexi them.
So
might have you see the legacy that Squingy and Mark them bill that you just gone down ill and people that forgot about you over time.
Yeah.
So in a brighter light, if you don't see that running, you want to protect your legacy. Might as well cause it to when you good enough.
That's why I mean we forever.
Yeah,
but that's why I mean we forever help any youth to come from Bass Odyssey right now and help them for the world know them because remember last year when I asked Tenet Stepper come right
yes.
So Tenet was very new and see Tenet at the kind of world right now so
definitely
yeah. So back to you when you did say who me can call, trust me man, every selector can tell us when me think a selector can left Jamaica and can represent Bass Odyssey anywhere overseas, more time the promoters them, sometimes the people them don't really know that. But me know. Me I got always know when a selector ready to go play certain places.
Right.
So sometimes if we get him to come showcase him talent, it's hard. Because promoter go say, boy, I don't know him, I don't want to buy a ticket. Now sometimes I put a select promoter in a situation. I say, all right, you want Delingy, the only way I gonna get Delingy. I have to fly with one of my young youth. And true, him want Delingy, I say, all right,
We'll
Delingy.
do it.
But
Yeah.
him still, I say, boy, Delingy, but me say, no, but me I go make you sure say the youth can play. And me, we go so boom, and sometimes I depend on playing, me say to my selector, say, watch you know that. Hey, game, you know. Same like how we do it at Jamaica. Don't nervous. Just make we do it, brother, because we are do it at Jamaica. Make we do it, yeah, so. When me go so, I tell him, building crate now, me run through in crate now. Because remember, me come a foreign, so me know, and everything work a yard work, yeah, so.
Right.
So me go through in crate and me move, and I say, all right. He said, that song, yeah, play them 3 upon rhythm, because the 4th one, we slow down the dance. So you leave that one there, you put 2 dub, so, and you go so, and then when everything right, me say, all right, that is it. If me in the dance, and me see say, the dance can it easy, me know what I'm capable of doing. Me say, yo, watch you know me that. Just
Juggle.
Just
do your thing.
Do your thing. If him a fall off, me say, yo, come run us. All right, yeah, stop the dance. Me go play some girl song. Me go to Bob Marley.
Right.
And so you see from I see from him get around there.
Watch a curveball, I
Well,
know.
it's as him get around there and get around there and get like 2-3 of them round there. See, you know say him have it locked. Cause right now me have Stenet Stepper and Jovi National them. I go up on them own now for go play with other selectors. I meet up at Country Spring for the first. Where some of them don't really have a chemistry with Country Spring and still come home flawless. Because how we brought bass this from day one, from Squinchy days, every selector, every mixer supposed to understand every talker. And every talker supposed to understand every mixer. So if you mix fast and he mix slow, me supposed to can
Switch up the game.
can play the sound with anyone I know, and the result is the same.
Right.
So well, a lot of people I know in like the England diaspora been calling for to see like 2 of the big heavy hitters like the current and what they call fairly new, like a Delingy and a Country Spring.
No, listen. No, it
Because
no, it has not the funny sound, my boy.
no buffers. Put it as that then, see? Shooters, see? Yeah. Some of the shooters.
I was confused
Like-
for a second.
A Delingy and a Speng. Not a no, and a Spread the Glory. Sorry, not a Speng. A Spread the Glory because obviously we know like Delingy.
Yeah.
I don't know if because you express your mixing talent now, a lot of people just say like I didn't when me a booking up can do it all now.
No,
you know.
I'm not really that, you know. I'm not really that, you know.
Can we see you and Speng
No, you're going to see. No, watch, you know. It's time to do everything, you know. Remember, you know.
spread it fly?
Yeah, man, spread it just start go US. Spread it just are getting paperwork them together. So,
England?
yeah. No, not England.
More Azzy, more Viagra.
No, the time I come, man. The time I come, man. The time will come. And one thing, you know, with base of this, you know, once
Nothing
you have
happens
talent, you know,
before time.
your time will come. So at the end of the day now, remember, so we have only for youth, you know, for England, you know, because we still have Vilmore, we still have Dishon, and we still have. So what me try to do, Zane, if you understand, you know, every now and then now, me will bring somebody new. Because it's only safe for them forward England with me. So you go maybe a time I go come now when base of this is England, you're not going to say Delingy. Because now England accept them set of youth where we can go and take on one America. And then maybe I say, all right then, me I come to England. If me not forward this year, when we see me next year.
Right.
Or if me not forward me, you will see me Carnival time.
Right.
You get what I say?
Right.
So look on it now. The sound overbook and me alone there just go mash up the whole of Ratatam.
Right.
Me alone and me alone there, so I play the song. So my talent to make a mix and talk. Because we have youths I go America and Islands, and remember we have 2 sound system I had see me where it's still a fee, whatever. So believe me, man, every selector upon base of this, I one thing, nobody gets stifled upon my sound. Everybody I go come out here and you go see them.
Hold on, before we go, as we talk about 2 sound system I had, like there's a comparison going out. People are saying the old base of this sound system clot a bit better than the new one.
No, brother, listen to me, man. We don't know all base of this.
No, the old speaker and the old Amsterdam and that.
Nope. Mine father keep fire shot after you. Brother.
No, the one that people used
let
to.
me correct you.
Yes.
We got a sound system with the original foundation man them were there from 90s.
No, I'm talking about the equipment.
No, brother, everything pan base of this year twin. If me string up one base of this year so, and string up the next one round there so, and me blindfold you can't know them different.
No, but we are countryman. From we see,
brother,
from we see old trucker come, we know say I bad one this.
Man, we not know old truck, man.
No,
Nobody fool you, man.
No, we don't know we have a more modern truck than an older truck. No bother with it. No bother with it. We don't have a modern truck and an older one.
Nah, man, top nice, man. They truck them are 2 year apart or about 3 year apart.
They not one older.
No, my boss. Listen to me, man. No matter what you truck them. You say, you sound them are the same thing, brother. Them are use the same speaker, they're identical, everything are the same.
Right.
Yeah.
We use the same turntable. One of them have the newer turntable on this, the one with the screen there, so.
Yeah.
Right.
But everything, power soft, K20 a play bass, Laba play low mid, high mid, K8 or K something and they play Han and one that K sitting and play Twitter. The two sound them same way.
But yeah, man, that's what people is saying.
Same tree. No, man, listen to me now. Listen to me. What people are tell you, me go explain what people are tell to you. You see the sound where carry the original crew. Father B punch theme sound, him like theme sound, him punch theme sound harder.
Okay.
You see the next you like doing them, them not like play for them sound that way there. So man, we come and dance and feel like say that other sound they play better. I know better. One of the sound, because me play them nights after, me play one Friday and one Saturday. Me know that, you know. But the two sound them playing basically the same way, you know. But sometimes it's a mind game too, you know. It's a mind game too.
You make people get used to the two sounds.
It's a mind game too, you know. Because two sound them have the same thing, them play the same way.
Cool,
But me realize the Father B punch theme sound. All when night alone and string up, him punch it. Dwayne, the only way I go get Dwayne sound punch, and if him string up with that sound.
I recognize when like some of the time I go base this and stole off like 2 times in a month.
Yeah.
And when I go 2 times in a month, I realize no man, I all chuck one and other one there.
Taps all chuck.
Harder.
Yeah, insult the man. So
boy, you know what I'm talking about.
We strayed a little bit off the calendar of events, but what we will encourage people to do is to go over to the Bass Odysseys Instagram page, get the details from there.
Yeah.
One thing I want to touch on, your Sound Fest.
Yeah.
Does it happen in February, in August?
It was all right.
Or does it
Sound
does
Fest,
it change?
It's the one in August. That is more like anniversary, you know.
Okay, so you have 2 Sound Fest then.
Yeah, so all right. So the one where we bring go Caymanas.
Yes.
Sound Fest. All right. That one now, I think of February the one I keep.
Okay, so we can expect a Sound Fest for 2024?
Yeah, that's gonna be a year-to-year one. The one there.
So it's yearly.
Yeah, that one gonna be year-to-year.
So anybody who is...
We never keep the anniversary, because the anniversary would be this week. The 12th, like but it never keep at this year. I don't know. I never really go into details for the keep them.
That's okay.
Keep. But it never keep. That was the Sound anniversary.
Right.
Yeah.
So there are quite a number of events.
Yeah, and the Sound Fest, what we are trying to do with it now, we are trying to bring it all over the world, because the thing with our Sound Fest, you know, is bringing back some originality to the business. That means we try to get original sound system, and we're not a rule upon it, meaning songs, we play anything we you know.
Right.
I don't cuss a bad word, you can cuss a one bad word. We don't have no rules. We don't have no rules like that. So, and sound man like it.
Right.
It's an open ground.
Right.
In Jamaica, what we try to do is every man have them sound system, we get the authentic sound system string up. So 4 sound from here today, we try to get the man them where have sound system. The foreigner them have no sound, so we always try to bring in people from somewhere in the world where maybe like Dynamic, we were the first sound system to bring them come to Jamaica.
Right.
So I know from Africa where we bring people from Japan, from all over the world. So we try to make people know, say, sound system not just stop at Bass Odyssey or stop at the airport.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So maybe the next move, cause we haven't bring in anybody from UK yet.
Yeah.
And I must commend you guys on bringing in Banker to that clash, because as a young forwarding DJ as a lot of people say, a pandemic DJ, he was on that bill because I think he was one of the young shot of them where fit that bill at that time.
So as I go through, you know, you pick, you know, because remember, I will pass sound that if you pick, you know. So, you know, them pick Banker. I mean, them pick Banker for some reason.
Right.
Some reason, because, you know. Yeah.
Isn't he gone? I think
yeah,
he's
so
gone now.
see that.
We did I think they did a send off.
So.
I think they did a send off party for him the other day.
But gone
Delingy,
last week.
thank you so much for joining us this evening. I mean, the conversation, as usual, is always it's always educational. It's always entertaining.
That is.
And
it.
you know, it's always a serious one, because you defend your sound as you
No,
rightly
man,
should.
Listen,
You defend your sound as you rightly should.
Listen to me. Bass Odyssey. Me and Bass Odyssey are rice and peace.
Right.
Me grow for love it and it grow for love me back. So guess what? me just have to just know, say, my job is to protect BSRDC and make sure say BSRDC in the right pipeline and it not off.
And so how can your fans and ACs and people get in touch with you to get bookings for BSRDC?
Well, BSRDC is out there on Facebook for your right BSRDC. As a matter of fact, BSRDC, if you go up on the, if you Google BSRDC, you see everything come up.
All the details are there. And if
it's a very important, it's a very important sound system.
And if
Instagram.
And if somebody wants,
I mean, if you hack Siri.
Hey Siri.
If you hack Siri for BSRDC.
A joke. Wait. No.
Yeah.
To my God. No.
Yeah, say Siri find BSRDC.
Hey Siri, find BSRDC.
I'm here to tell her. What Siri has said?
I tell her. Siri don't know BSRDC.
Allah, yeah.
Anyways, as we said, give thanks for passing through. All the very best for your event this weekend. In Luton. Safe travels back home.
Yeah, man.
And you don't know, so we're supportive from afar. So give thanks, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 11:29. The time has fastly gotten away from us. We want to thank everybody that joined us this evening on our Instagram, Facebook, and also the TGM Radio UK's app for this evening's show. Make sure that you continue to support us. Go over to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop our videos. Delingy.
I just want to big up Naz One Stop. Yes. You know, Naz, our general. That is the father kit in
One Stop.
So anybody who are interested in booking BSRDC in the UK or in Europe,
that's a contact.
Naz One Stop are who you're supposed to. So big up Naz, you know, Mummy Sophie, the whole
Northwest
crew.
London, definitely.
You understand, G-Money, the whole crew. Just big up the whole ground, you know. Because them enough over
People
there, you know.
One
thing with one stop in NW10, we say, you know.
True.
That's our HQ, so you don't know.
Definitely.
For we say Halls, then NW10, you know.
Everybody know the trips.
We got the whole of NW10.
Cool, no, man. Dragon All Stars going
People
to take
don't know
us
the thing,
out.
go. Remember, all about War Report Jamboree, because when you say me not clash nobody, see them, me over there war everybody. Lord Gallus, World Power Sound, Kurt Jesus, Melotone. Everybody are dead still. You don't know where you go. Black Knight over the scene.
Team Extreme.
Check in for that one. That one is all about.
Say people dead.
People dead, man. On 9th of December, man. You know what? Blood clot. Kill them in style and drink some salad after.
And the address is there, guys. Get your tickets from
remember, you know, people. You see that clash there? Because a lot of them are talk. Say we only have some old song.
Mm-hmm.
But remember, you know, we have it. And some of them, you know, hear them now. We don't cut young boy artists them. I don't know if we cut song.
Okay.
I don't know if it is that.
So they need to forward out on the 9th of December.
I will cut song for Black Knight now.
We all cut song, man. Don't worry about that, man.
We're going to
don't worry about who cut song.
We're going to wrap up the show.
Just know how I do the liquor.
I say I show now 50 more minutes if you ask about your sound. You say you're full of chat asking about BSRDC this and BSRDC that.
Black Knight a bad sound.
Yo, I say sorry one next 10 minutes then there,
bad
man.
sound.
We're gonna have
a bad sound, man. A bad sound.
We're gonna continue the conversation outside, so you know they can have this conversation.
Yeah, you have all the questions to BSRDC.
But Dragon All Star is going to take us out.
People that don't know anything going on, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do and wants to read a book. Them say brain power is the main power. Until next week.
See you guys.
Yeah, man. A war.
Yeah, big up all the BSRDC fans. I don't know anything.
Yeah.
BSRDC, one grow.
Whoosh.